Hello everybody. For today's argument, we are gonna be talking about animal testing, and this is a very controversial issue because it has a strong arguments, and this refers to both sides of them. So we will be presenting the pros and cons, and considering the roles in scientific and medical advancement, while also looking at ethical and practical concerns. My name is Christine, and I will be supporting with the animal testing. So, the reason is because it has been crucial for medical progress throughout the years. For instance, the development of polio vaccines in the 1950s heavily relied on testing monkeys, and without these, the disease could have continued to paralyze and kill millions of people. Same with diabetes. We wouldn't have insulin if not for the dogs being experimented on. It has led to important treatments like the antibiotics, the insulin for diabetes, and for vaccines with different diseases like the smallpox and polio, as what's mentioned a while ago. So, without testing on animals, many lives might have been lost.
Yes. So my name is Alna and I'm on the opposite side. While animal testing has helped medical science, it also raises serious and ethical and scientific concerns, which animals, just like humans, they suffer and die in this test, and many don't have legal protection law like the Animal Welfare Act in the US. Animals like rats, birds, um, mice are being subjected and they are not even protected. This makes us question if it is right to use animals in this way.
Yeah, but you know what? Without animal testing, we wouldn't be able to check if the new drugs are safe to use for humans. That's why this is really important. This allows the researchers to understand the effects of therapies on living beings and find potential side effects, which is really crucial for safe human trials. For instance, treatments for HIV/AIDS were developed through research on primates, which allowed scientists to understand how the virus replicates and to test the effectiveness of antiretroviral drugs. So, this research has been crucial in extending the lives of millions of people, especially those with living in HIV.
Yes, we do understand that animals and humans are very different. So results can be misleading. Drugs that may be safe in animals but can have a harmful effect on humans and vice versa. So this is not a reliable and it compromises human safety and might also result to loss of possible helpful medications. So adding into consideration it uh this is very costly and might not give the results that we need. For example, a problem with the reliability of human testing in the case of the drug, the Viax drug. Viax was tested on a lot on animals and was thought to be safe. But after people started using it, it was found out that uh, it was found out that it increased the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This shows that animal tests don't always predict how a drug will affect humans, leading to a serious health risk and raising doubts about how well animal testing can predict drug safety.
It's true that animal tests don't always match human results perfectly, but they're still one of the best ways to understand diseases and even connect research to human trials. So, for instance, a great deal of research was done on monkeys in order to develop deep brain stimulation, or what they call the DBS. So, this is a treatment for Parkinson's disease, and they have led to many important medical breakthroughs. So the ethical concerns are being looked at, and there are rules to make animal testing as humane as possible. So we got the three R's principle, and these are the replacement, reduction, and refinement. So these are the guides the researchers are using to minimize suffering. Scientists are also working on other alternatives, but for now, animal testing is still the best or something that we need.
Yes, but even with regulations, many animals suffer, and most of them, like the mice and rats, don't have enough protection. This means a lot of testing is happening with little oversight. Sticking with animal testing can slow down the use of a better and more um, humane methods. New technologies like lab tests, computer models, and human tissue cultures are becoming more effective. By focusing on animal testing, we might miss out on these newer and more ethical options. A challenge with using new technology instead of animal testing is the use of computer models like to predict how a toxic drug might be. So, while these models and simulations are promising, they sometimes cannot fully match the complexity uh, of living systems. For example, even with improvements in computer modeling, some models might not accurately predict how a drug will affect on humans. So leading to leading to this case where drug that pass these simulations, there's still uh, this simulation still causes problems in people. This in people I mean this shows that although technology is improving, it still has a limitations, and it may not completely replace the animal testing yet.
Yeah, so in conclusion, despite the ethical concerns, animal testing is still important for developing life-saving treatments. And we hope that with new technology, we can reduce the need for animal testing. But as of now, it remains necessary for medical research.
Yes. To sum it up, the ethical and scientific issues with the animal testing outweighs its benefits. It's time to focus on alternatives that are kinder and more reliable. So investing in these alternatives, it can help us to make the medical advances without causing any animal to suffer.